What's up, dudes? It's the freaking Deke. Ramp repair. Let's check it. Not mine. Not good. I don't know. What's up? It's the Deke. Looking better. Prepped him down, dude. Yeah. Frickin', dude, that's spool gun, mass production, frickin'. We TIGging this baby. But we got him prepped, little gap here, dude. We got no frickin' problems. Dude, what do we got next? Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. We wiping. I'm telling you guys right now, it seems like a dumb step, but it's frickin' important. Little acetone wipe, cuts the grease. Look at this little frickin' jagadish. Dude, it's an important frickin' step, especially when something's on a repair. You know? So we're cleaning it up, dude. Uh-oh, shit's Jake on the camera. Seams, dudes, it seems kind of like, ooh, duh, acetone. No. It's important. Aluminum, dude, you want to lay frickin' lasers, dudes? You want to lay lasers? Gotta be that clean, dudes. Gotta be that clean. Then, uh-oh, multi-mix, baby. Getting ready to lay some dimes, dudes. Tacked up, dudes. Let's burn them freaking down, baby. Time to burn them down. See that gap, dudes? See that gap right there, dude? Let's freaking fill that mama. Somebody's closer. Like, I just have this little job shop, you know what I mean? A full-time job, it's just like my kick it. But I love it so much because who knows, dude? Like, I fixed a $3 rake the other day. 20 minutes later, $1,300 custom-built radiator. You know what I'm saying, dude? Job shop, keep you freaking sharp, man. You never know what you're gonna bump into, dude. You never know what you're gonna bump into. Done frickin' deal, dudes. Go. Are they perfect? No? No? Are they too shabby, though? They're not too shabby. Look at that wide-weaved mother. Remember that frickin' gap, dudes? Oh, there's a tack in the middle. God, they don't look that frickin' great. But the gaps weren't that great. Dudes, that's the thing about fixing stuff, is sometimes your gaps aren't perfect. Sometimes the material isn't as clean as it should be. We do the freaking best we can to make that happen, but dude, sometimes it just doesn't work out like that, dude. Sometimes you just do the freaking best that you can because that's all you can freaking do, man. This thing's been sitting in a field for 40 years, broken all apart, dude. We clean it up, we stack it up, and then we freaking burn it down, bro. A couple professionals, bro. It's the Deke. We out.